starting line. All bets are up. Here they go, ramping up the revs. Here they go, Porsche and Mustang at it. Look at that show car go. Steve Owen, car number 88 for the Class TA2. And there you go, Be Quick Sing. 8. We got 19, Crash Sutipong. Could not have a place to go. 25, Ian Ross from the Be Quick team spun out. Unfortunately, also taking out 19 in the process, Sutipong. Let's wait to see what happens after that. 1 minute into the race, not even 1 minute into the race, and there you go. Safety car is out again. During that time, 19 was probably able to go.